Hello and welcome to ProtoTILER. So today we're going to look at a case study of a simple bathroom that was installed a few years ago. We'll look at some of the issues and how they could have been prevented using ProtoTILER. So first sight, things didn't look too bad. Let's delve in a little bit more detail. So I presume what Tyler did was start tiling, full tile in the bottom right hand corner, and just carried on from there. So he's using 33 by 33 tiles with 4mm spacers. As you can see at the top wall, we've got some very thin cuts, and also down here he's had to make some thin, very fine cuts as well. And we've got this threshold and some very slim cuts over the threshold and this small tile here. And we've also got this very nasty awkward corner that is in the line of sight. So the thin cuts at the back wall are measured at around about 2 centimeters. So let's dive into ProtoTILER and just have a look at how we model that. So I've already gone into ProtoTILER and modelled the bathroom. So we've got the 33 by 33 tiles installed, and as you can see, here is the awkward corner, and these are the thin cuts on the back wall, and positioned it full tile on the bottom right hand corner. So if you just look at what ProtoTILER is telling us, so we've got a cut of 2.1 centimeter, which is about what was measured. So it shows you that if you measure things up accurately, ProtoTILER is extremely accurate. So let's now go ahead and see how we can make some fine adjustments to this and improve the tile layout. So the first thing is, let's increase the spacer size to 6mm. As you can see, immediately we've kind of reduced the thin cuts on the back wall. I think we can sort of now try and look at this awkward corner here and position a full tile on the awkward corner and see how that might improve the layout. So move the threshold up. So here we go. So this is what I think is a much better layout. So the very thin cuts at the top back wall are not that thin now. We've got pretty much full tiles over the threshold, and we've removed this nasty corner. So as you can see in a few seconds, a bit of planning, we've made some major improvements to this simple layout. What we'll do next is we'll go and look at the tile layout itself. So this is just laid in a grid pattern, but we'll have a play around and see what we can do to improve the look of the tile pattern. Obviously this is all customer preference, but we can see what the effect it has on the layout, and if we have any nasty cuts. And this can all be achieved within seconds in front of the customer with ProtoTILER.